Today, let's draw a chibi boy. Prepare 3 different colored pencils: orange, blue, and red. Start with the orange colored pencil. Let's give our character some hair. Use the orange pencil to plan your character's hairstyle. And trace along the outlines of the face. Next, add the eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. Mark out the pupils of the eyes as well. Now let's draw some clothes. How about a cool jacket and a pair of sturdy shoes? Look, we're done with the first sketch. Pick up your blue-colored pencil. We will now refine the drawing. Trace over the orange lines that you wish to retain, or edit the artwork by drawing new lines. Great! Now, use your red-colored pencil to refine the sketch one more time. Follow the blue lines. Again, trace over the lines which you wish to retain. And edit those that you are not satisfied with. This will be the final sketch using colored pencils. Next, we will ink the drawing. Awesome! Once you are satisfied with your sketch, it's time to take out your liner pen. Use your pen to ink along the red lines Be careful as you trace. It's time to make our character pop by adding some color. Ensure the strokes are in a single direction. Avoid coloring over the same area more than once. This results in a more uniform application of color. Remember to leave white highlights in the hair. It may be helpful to mark these areas out using the orange pencil. Isn't his lightning yellow hair eye-catching? Color carefully to avoid coloring the white highlights. Use a darker color to add shadow. Gray can be used to add some shadow too. As with any part of this process, patience is required. Let's add some final shadows using the gray marker. We're done! Now, why not check out our other tutorials and draw a friend for your character?